If you think olive oil is the healthiest fat in your kitchen, you've been sold a Mediterranean fairy tale. In this video, I'm going to show you why your mitochondria are begging you to ditch the bottle and go back to ancient fats that actually heal your metabolism. Okay, my name's Marc Bates. I'm a metabolic health coach, and this is part of my question and answer series, Breaking Up with Your Healthy Fat. Okay, let's go to the question. Perfect. You've mapped out what feels like an inevitable shift from ideology back to integration. As we wrap up, I'm thinking about readers who've built their entire healthy eating identity around olive oil being their go-to fat. What's your advice for someone ready to make this transition away from olive oil dependency while still honoring the practical realities of modern cooking and social eating? Well, that's a great question, and it's a deeply thoughtful way to close this arc on olive oil. And it shows you're thinking not just about nutrition, but identity, culture, and sustainability. For someone who's long embraced olive oil as the good fat, this shift can feel like both a betrayal and a liberation. So here's how to navigate it with metabolic clarity and emotional grace. First, we reframe, don't renounce. Let go of binary thinking. This isn't about demonizing olive oil, it's about reassigning its role. Think of olive oil like red wine, occasionally pleasurable, culturally meaningful, but not foundational for metabolic health. This mindset shift makes it easier to keep olive oil for flavor or tradition and avoid relying on it as a primary cooking fat or daily staple. Okay? 2, we want to reconnect with ancestral fats, the ones that are good for us. Replace, but not remove olive oil by introducing these fats our biology evolved to thrive on. Grass-fed butter and ghee. It's got cooking, baking, and flavor, and it's got all kinds of vitamins A, D, K2, and CLA. Beef tallow. This is one of the high heat sautéing for roasting. It's got just a ton of stearic acid. It's stable, and it's a full-fledged saturated fat. And stearic acid is really a wonderful fat. Okay, lamb suet, frying, slow cooking. It's low PUFA, high stability, and also has a pretty high level of stearic acid. Pork lard, that's pasteurized. You want pan frying, flavor base, oleic acid, and palmitomatic acid. I prefer beef tallow and lamb suet, but pork lard works. Egg yolk fat. Well, if you're eating eggs, obviously you're getting a lot of egg yolks. Hopefully, don't throw out the yolks. Keep them. They're the most important part. They're ideal for use in raw or cooked meals, and they contain a ton of choline, cholesterol, and DHA. These fats give you mitochondrial resistance, ancestral alignment, and flavor and depth. Okay, 3. Upgrade your cooking rituals. Most people use olive oil to saute, roast, or pan fry, but it's unstable here. Practical swaps. Roast vegetables or meat in tallow or duck fat. Saute greens in ghee or bacon fat. Fry eggs in butter or beef fat. If you still use EVOO, reserve it for cold drizzling, for example, over lamb or sardines, and rotate bottles often. Okay? Honor your culture without hijacking your health. If olive oil connects you to your heritage, family, or Mediterranean rituals, you don't need to sever that tie. Just reposition the ritual. Use small, fresh, cold-pressed bottles. Pair it with ancestral proteins, sardines, lamb, goat cheese instead of bread or pasta, and treat it like a finishing oil, not a cooking oil. Keep the soul of your food, but optimize the fuel. And I think that's the wrong pitch, but that's okay. We'll live with it. 6. Listen to your mitochondria, not marketing. As you transition, pay attention to how you feel. Energy, satiety, skin clarity, and mental sharpness. You may notice fewer cravings, better digestion, more stable energy, clearer skin, and deeper sleep as you use more of the ancestral fats. These are signs your fat metabolism is aligning with your physiology, not dietary dogma. Okay? Final word. Your identity is not built on olive oil, but it's built on the wisdom to evolve. You're not giving something up. You're returning to something older, deeper, and more biologically loyal. Olive oil had its cultural moment, but your mitochondria have been waiting for a comeback story measured in millennia. Honor tradition, choose biology, live free. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have comments or questions, please put them in the appropriate section. If you have additional ideas you'd like me to cover, please put them here. Most of my really good ideas I do videos for people come from your suggestions, so let me know what you're looking for. We are a community. I'm here to help you, and let me know how I can best serve you. And if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, share this video with somebody who needs it. Press the button if you want, the bell if you want to get notified. This is really helpful to the channel, and I appreciate everything you do. Thank you.